Hi, I am Dr. Srinivas Katkuri, working as a farm manager at Livestock Farm Complex under Veterinary College, Parbhani. At our livestock farm complex, we rear the native breeds, which is the mandate of our university. In this, we are maintaining Marathwadi buffalo breed, which is localized breed. It is found in Parbhani, Hingoli, Nanded, and adjoining part of our area. This is very much similar to the Pandharpuri breed of buffalo, and we are maintaining here the data of the Marathwadi buffalo breed like age of puberty, lactation length, age of lactation interval, and age of first calving, birth weight likewise. And we are also maintaining the Usmanabadi goat breed, which is well known in our surrounding area. This is originated in Usmanabad district of Marathwada region and spread in Parabhani, Hingoli, Nanded and Latur and adjoining area of our territory. And we are also maintaining the Deccani sheep, which is very famous in Dakhan area. This is well spread in Marathwada and Maharashtra, Karnataka, northern Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We are maintaining the scientific records of these breeds, which is very much helpful to the students of post-graduation and PhD students. Here we are performing the practicals for UG student, which is very much useful them for handling animals, and we are also organizing the trainings for farmer and the entrepreneur who are going to start their farms. We are giving here training on Usmanabadi goat rearing and scientific milk production, which is we in Marathi we call Sachcha Doodh Utpadan. Here we are giving them hands-on training and actual practical on this practicals. We are maintaining different records on production, reproduction and cost of production of different animal and fodder also. Here we are maintaining the expenditure registers for the expenditure which is occurring on the different practices at our farm, and we are also maintaining the registers which gives us the other production like we on from trees which are available at our farm, tamarind trees and different trees which gives us the annual production. And regarding forage, we have very well established forage farm at our farm. Here we are producing the perennial grasses like DHN6, BIF10, CO4 and the paragrass, which fulfill the green fodder requirement of our animal. And along with this, we are also sowing the jar which gives us dry fodder in round the year. And we are also producing maize which gives us the silage for our animals. Along with this, we are also providing the concentrate to the animals as per requirement, means pregnant animal and newly parturited animals likewise. With this, I have submitted my brief information regarding livestock farm complex. Thank you.